There is a comparator interface for comparing two objects. For example, let's comment this. For example, let's create an object 1, first number with a value 5, and a second number with value 10, for example. And we can invoke, let's print it, we can invoke from one object method compare to compare. Let's use wrapper classes integer for first object and for second object compare to method and specify the second object. Run our program and we can see the negative number. It means that the first number less than second number. If the first number will be greater than second number, the result will be a positive number. Run it again. For sure this. Yes, positive number. We can see that the first number greater than second number. But what happens if the first number is equal second number? Run our program and we can see the 0. So 0 for results of comparator method, it means that the first number equals for second number. These both numbers is equal. So let's look at an implementation of integer type. And we can see that this class integer, which extends from number, implements comparable interface. This interface with type variable, type constant, integer, comparable to method, and it must implement the to compare method to hex, to binary, to compare, or compare to compare to. Yes, this compare to, it take another integer number and return compare of these two objects. Method compare return a negative number if the first number is less than second number, and the positive number elsewhere. Also 0 if the first number equal second number. If the first number and second number both are equals. Also we can use it for compare two strings by dictionary order. First string and some letter A. This is the first letter of alphabet, and a string, second letter with the Z. And also we can print the first string and invoke a comparator from this object, which take second string as a parameter, and run our program. We can see the next result. Negative number, because first string is less than second string by dictionary order, dictionary order. And if we change its values, Z and Phi. Z is the last letter of the alphabet. So we must see the positive number. Yes. And if we specify the same value, we must see 0. 0, it means that the first string and second string refers on the same object f, phi. So now the task is for you. Implement a comparator interface to compare two wizards, this class wizards, to compare by age. The possible solution. Class wizard extends character. This is superclass. Implement first interface, comma, and second interface. Our interface comparable. And we must to implement this member compare to. We see it will invoke some generic object. No, it must take a parameter t of wizard, other wizards object. Okay, and implement method. Okay, wizard. This is other wizard and the compare to. So if by age, we will compare by age. So if from this implicit parameter age greater than other age, other dot age, we will return one. Else if this age less than other age, we will return the negative number -1. Else, it means else this age equal other age, we can specify enter these two. This age equal other age, then return 0. And let's use our program. Okay, and okay. Student class and teacher class is a subclasses of wizard superclass, and in the wizard we write comparable, write implementation of comparable interface, and then we can use method compare to. For this we just write this out and write Hermione student and student. Let's specify the age for student. We need to add a constructor with the age. Let's overload. Overload is constructor which takes age parameter for age. In the superclass we can see name and age. Send age of superclass. Okay, and now we can specify 11 student, age 11, and student Hermione and student Harry. His name Harry Potter. He's from Gryffindor and his age 12. And let's invoke method compare to. Compare. Oh, this is character. Let's specialization from wizard. Let's specify the wizard class for Hermione and wizard for Harry, and compare to yes. In the wizard class we will implement the comparable interface and Hermione, and specify the second wizard, and we can see the result. -1, it's a negative number. It means that the Hermione's age less than Harry's age. Harry is older than Hermione. Hermione is younger than Harry by them ages. The ages. Good job. See you in the next lesson.